Apple's AI features, privacy first with on-device models. Privacy isn't just a feature for Apple, it's the non-negotiable bedrock of their entire AI philosophy. But here's where it gets controversial. Can any tech giant truly guarantee digital privacy in today's data-hungry world? Apple's betting $1 trillion that they can. Apple Intelligence, their AI ecosystem, uses a revolutionary dual-layer privacy approach combining on-device processing and what they call private cloud compute. Let's break this down simply. For everyday AI tasks, your iPhone or iPad handles everything locally using specialized on-device models. These require at least 8 GB of unified memory, found in current-gen devices like iPhone 15 Pro and newer. Your personal data, messages, photos, preferences, never leaves your device. Think of it like having a personal AI butler living in your pocket who never gossips about your secrets. But here's the twist most miss. When you ask for something complex like generating custom artwork or deep research, Apple's private cloud compute kicks in. Unlike traditional cloud systems, this system is designed with radical transparency. It doesn't store your data, doesn't create user profiles, and even invites security researchers to verify its privacy claims. Imagine a cloud service with built-in amnesia that forgets you the moment your request is done. Controversy alert. Apple's partnership with OpenAI raised eyebrows. Critics question whether any third-party AI integration can truly align with Apple's privacy stance. But here's Apple's counter. ChatGPT requests require your explicit permission each time. OpenAI can't retain Apple user data, and your queries won't train their models. Do you think this compromise undermines Apple's privacy-first image? Debate this in the comments. Meanwhile, Meta's aggressive hiring of Apple's AI specialists, including heavyweights like Roming Pang and Mark Lee, reveals the brutal AI talent war escalating behind the scenes. This mass poaching raises uncomfortable questions. Is Apple's rigid privacy stance making them vulnerable in the AI arms race? Or does this talent exodus prove Apple's approach is worth fighting for? Weigh in below. Financially, Apple's privacy-first strategy hasn't hurt their bottom line. Their latest quarterly revenue hit $95.4 billion, a 5% YoY jump, with services revenue exploding to $26.6 billion. This success story begs the philosophical question: can privacy and profitability truly coexist in AI? Apple's betting yes, and rewriting the rulebook in real time. So where does this leave us? Apple's fundamentally redefining AI privacy through what they call intelligence by design, building privacy directly into their silicon chips and cloud architecture. But the ultimate verdict lies with you. Is this the dawn of truly private AI, or just another tech utopia promise? The comments section is open for your unfiltered take. 6 Apple Intelligence features you should be using right now. Are you tired of hearing about the latest iPhone colors and features while Apple Intelligence takes a back seat? Trust me, it's a common sentiment, especially given the recent turmoil within Apple. But let's dive into the truth. Despite its challenges, Apple Intelligence has proven to be surprisingly useful in my daily life. Here are 6 features I actively use, even if they're not the flashy ones like Image Playground. If you own an iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 16e, iPhone 16, or iPhone 16 Pro, or their Plus and Max versions, you'll find these features incredibly handy. Remember, Apple Intelligence is still in its beta phase, so expect more updates in the future. And if you're skeptical about diving into AI just yet, you can always opt out or selectively use certain features. First up, let's talk about prioritized notifications. This feature, introduced not long ago, has become one of my favorites. It elevates important notifications to the top of your lock screen, marked with a vibrant Apple Intelligence shimmer. So far, it's flagged weather alerts, messages from close contacts, and emails with urgent actions or deadlines. To activate it, navigate to Settings, Notifications, Prioritize Notifications, and toggle the switch. You can also customize which apps receive priority alerts. While the AI isn't perfect, it's showing promise in distinguishing what truly matters. Next, let's explore summaries. In today's fast-paced world, having a quick overview of lengthy emails or messages can be a lifesaver. Apple Intelligence provides summaries for notifications, emails, and web pages, offering a concise TLDR right when you need it. For example, when you receive a text from a friend or a group chat, a brief summary appears on your lock screen. These summaries can be hit or miss, sometimes vague, sometimes amusing, but they're generally helpful. You can also generate longer summaries in the Mail app or Safari by tapping the Summarize button. But here's where it gets interesting. Siri has received a significant upgrade. Gone are the days of the clunky, full-screen Siri animation. With iOS 18.1, Siri now sports a sleek, modern look on compatible devices. Plus, it's more forgiving of mistakes and better at handling follow-up questions. What's even more exciting is the integration of ChatGPT, which can provide additional information if Siri can't answer your query. No need for a ChatGPT account to use this feature. Another game-changer is the ability to invoke Siri silently via a double tap on the screen or a custom keyboard shortcut on a Mac. This feature is perfect for households with multiple smart devices or those who prefer a more discreet approach to voice commands. Moving on, let's discuss the Photos app's clean-up feature. Until iOS 18.1, removing distractions from photos required additional editing tools. Now, Cleanup leverages AI to suggest items to remove, making it easier to tidy up your images without leaving the app. Lastly, there's the AI-boosted Reduce Interruptions focus mode. This feature enhances your existing focus modes by filtering out unnecessary notifications more intelligently. It's particularly useful for staying on track during important tasks. To enable it, simply open Control Center, tap the Focus button, and select Reduce Interruptions. While Apple Intelligence may not revolutionize your iPhone experience overnight, these features demonstrate its growing potential. Whether you're a fan or a skeptic, it's worth exploring how these tools can fit into your routine. Apple's 2025 AI Breakthroughs, Exploring Foundation Language Models. ### Apple Intelligence Foundation Language Models Tech Report 2025. In a groundbreaking development, we unveil two innovative multilingual and multimodal foundation language models that serve as the backbone for Apple Intelligence features across all Apple devices and services. The first model is an on-device solution with approximately 3 billion parameters, specifically optimized for Apple Silicon. This optimization is achieved through advanced architectural techniques, including KV cache sharing and training that is aware of 2-bit quantization. The second model is a scalable server-based solution, constructed using a cutting-edge parallel track mixture of experts (PTMOE) transformer. This model ingeniously integrates track parallelism, sparse computation through a mixture of experts, and a unique approach to global-local attention, ensuring high-quality performance at a competitive cost on Apple's private cloud compute platform. Both models have been meticulously trained on extensive multilingual and multimodal datasets, which have been responsibly sourced through web crawling, licensed corpora, and high-quality synthetic data. They have undergone further refinement through supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning on a newly developed asynchronous platform. As a result, these models not only support a wider array of languages but also possess the capability to comprehend images and execute tool calls. In various public benchmarks and human evaluations, both the server and on-device models have demonstrated performance that either matches or exceeds that of similarly sized open-source alternatives. Additionally, we have introduced a new framework centered around Swift for foundation models, which facilitates guided generation, constrained tool calling, and LoRa adapter fine-tuning. This framework empowers developers to seamlessly integrate these advanced capabilities with just a few lines of code. The latest enhancements in Apple Intelligence models are firmly rooted in our responsible AI philosophy, which includes protective measures such as content filtering and locale-specific evaluations. We are also dedicated to safeguarding our users' privacy through innovations like private cloud compute. This document provides in-depth technical insights into the updates made to Apple's on-device and server foundation language models, which were first introduced on June 9, 2025, in a related post. ### related readings and updates. We are excited to present the foundation language models that have been developed to enhance Apple Intelligence features. This includes the aforementioned approximately 3 billion parameter model optimized for efficient operation on devices, alongside a robust server-based language model tailored for private cloud compute. These models are engineered to perform a diverse range of tasks with efficiency, accuracy, and a strong sense of responsibility. This report elaborates on the model architecture, the datasets utilized for training, the training methodologies, and more. June 10, 2024. During the 2024 Worldwide Developers Conference, we proudly introduced Apple Intelligence, a personal intelligence system that is deeply integrated into iOS 18, iPadOS 18, and macOS Sequoia. Apple Intelligence comprises multiple highly capable generative models that are specifically designed to assist users with their daily tasks, adapting dynamically to their current activities. The foundation models embedded within Apple Intelligence have been fine-tuned to enhance user experiences, such as composing and refining text, prioritizing and summarizing notifications, generating playful images for social interactions, and facilitating in-app actions to streamline user interactions across various applications.